Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can change the icon of your battery option of in your iPhone. So in this video, I'm gonna give you some steps you have to follow it to do that. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and simply just have to just go to the general section and just go to general section and just go to the software update, and you have to make sure that you have updated version of your iOS in iPhone, maybe your iPad. After that, simply just go back. After that, simply just go to the accessibility of your iPhone, just tap on that and just scroll down, and you see that there is an option of display and text size. So you just select, and it's on number 3 option, so just tap on that, and here you just have to just scroll down and again scroll, and you see that there is an option, a smart invert reverse the colors of the display. So you just have to just turn it on. After that, simply just go back and again back, and simply just go to the battery section, and here you just have to turn on low power mode. Just tap on, and you see that it's changed. So that's the setting. You just change the battery icon in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.